Engineering is about building amazing things. From towering skyscrapers to intricate machinery, engineers bring ideas to life. It's about solving tough problems. Whether it's fixing a broken system or designing a new one, engineers are problem solvers at heart. And it's about making the world a better place. Through innovation and dedication, engineers improve our quality of life. But to do all that, engineers need one crucial thing: productivity. Without it, even the best ideas can fall short. Productivity is the key to unlocking an engineer's full potential. It allows them to achieve more with the resources they have. It's about working smarter, not harder. By leveraging technology, engineers can streamline their workflows, and it's about getting more done in less time. Efficiency is the name of the game in modern engineering. In today's fast-paced world, productivity is more important than ever. Deadlines are tighter, projects are more complex, and competition is fierce. Engineers who can't keep up risk getting left behind. The pressure to perform is immense. That's why it's essential to always be on the lookout for new ways to boost productivity. Continuous improvement is key, and that's where AI comes in. AI can revolutionize the way engineers work, making them more efficient and effective. AI is rapidly changing the world as we know it. It's automating tasks, improving decision-making, and even sparking creativity. And it's having a huge impact on the field of engineering. AI is helping engineers work smarter and faster than ever before. AI can automate tedious and repetitive tasks. This frees up engineers to focus on more creative and strategic work. AI can analyze massive data sets to identify patterns and insights that humans might miss. This helps engineers make better decisions and optimize their designs. And AI can even generate new ideas and designs, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. There are already a ton of AI-powered tools that are transforming the way engineers work. These tools are not just enhancing productivity, but are also revolutionizing the entire engineering workflow. These tools are automating tasks, improving collaboration, and enabling engineers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their projects. They are helping engineers design better products by providing insights and suggestions that were previously unimaginable. Let's look at a few examples to understand how these tools are making a difference in the engineering world. Generative design tools use AI to generate design options based on your specifications. These tools can explore a vast array of design possibilities in a fraction of the time it would take a human. You can input your design goals and constraints, such as material type, cost limits, and performance requirements. The AI will then generate a range of possible designs for you to choose from, each optimized for your specific needs. This can save you a ton of time and effort in the design process, allowing you to iterate and refine your designs more efficiently.